Okay, so just got these in just from the website. They just got delivered today. Got two of these. So it's going to deliver, one today, open up one today, and one Christmas, well, not Christmas Eve, but New Year's Eve. And then New Year's Day, I got like a rack pack that I did probably a couple months ago, maybe a month, 2 months. Of 86, 87, 88 baseball rack packs. So we're going to open up one of these today. And let's see how it goes. Let's see, I'll go open up this one. Let's see here. So let's see, I got like autographs in the first two boxes I've done that I bought at a hobby. And I got a Cam Smith redemption. So I imagine a lot of rookies, they might not signed their autographs yet, so they got to do the redemption. So we'll find out what we got here. So hopefully everybody's survived their Christmas holiday. Now we get the New Year's holiday. It's definitely totally different. Yeah, let's see here. There's Willie McGyver, Craig Yoho. So you get some blues, you get the chromes. Usually get a couple numbered cards. Plus you get that refractor. And the refractors, you can tell, usually have like a gray border. And then here, it would say refractor. There's Blade Tidwell on the blue. So far we haven't seen any Nick Kurtz. And he's like one of those high numbered 700. Let's see, make sure we get, I remember to get him on camera. They've been a little bit, maybe too low. There's a Drake Baldwin there. Ricky Performers there, Brooks Lee there, insert. At least we'll put him on. Oh wow, we got blue Nick Kurtz, not bad. So we had a little time out like, hey, I didn't get Nick Kurtz yet, and bam, there it is. So let's go ahead and sleeve that one up. And he's like 706. So it seems like you're going to get some of these blue sparkles and blue bordered cards that will be like high numbered. And there's a Miller Diver. And then you also get these foil insert. That's Tony Oliva. There's a blue sparkle, Kyle Higassi. And you get like usually 8 of those blue sparkles. Thinking about 6 chrome. I think it's two of the refractors. And there's another chrome there. Not easy to get some of these things open. And there's like another chrome. I'm protecting the stack here. That's going to be where the either hit the autograph or the relic will be. Just from what I remember, what I've seen lately. But we'll find out if there's a Corbin Burns with a 200 1776. Looks like 46 out of 200. Kristen Koss on the blue sparkle. Here. So there's another. That's going to be the. It's got the gray. Of the border is like different. It's not the white, so it's going to be refractor. And undefeated. Ken Griffey Sr. I know they. I remember they swept the Yankees. I don't know about because they only had 2 divisions, the West and the East, and there was no wild card back then. They just kind of, had like the 2 division winners play each other, best of 3, best of 5. Remus, Connor Gillespie, Randall Hearn. And you're also going to find some variations in here. Let's see here, Logan Henderson on the blue sparkle. Nope. Okay. Let's see here. There's another blue sparkle. Yeah, so fantasy football is mostly done. I mean, you know, some leagues, I don't have one to, I'm out of it, but there's one that's got next week as a final. And there's Rod Carew, 76. It's kind of a, it's not numbered. Oh, and down goes Kurtz. So let's try and get us. So we'll open up this one because this is what I'm thinking is going to be the hit. So far really the only number of cards is that the Centennial. I got like a variation of this guy here. I just had to find out how, you know, go through them and order. So sometimes they're easy to find. There's a blue sparkle there. Another one of those. See here, there's like Tony Olivo. I think what happened is he retired in '76. That's what they did for a '75 for the Heritage High number. They did a bunch of people that retired. They honored them with their own series of inserts. Who's that? All right, so almost done with the stacks. The third stack. I think that, oh, it's probably just going to be another refractor. Perfect 10 with Francisco Lindor. Pretty Basso again. Let's see here. All right, so the hit's going to come in this one. Pack, set. Okay, I think that might be that. Yeah, that looks like that's right. It's gonna be like a, probably gonna be a relic, I think. Or it could be, you know, but there's something there. So Makata, I think I already saw it kind of sort of who it was. Here's Marcio Mayer. And this is gonna be like this here. So is that going to be like an autograph relic card? Okay, six of 25. That's cool. Ted Simmons. He's actually in the Hall of Fame. Yeah, but I haven't, haven't had an autographed relic card, but now I do. How about that? Caleb Durbin, and that's on the 150, the blue. Tommy had been. So sometimes you get two. Yeah, that's here. And there's another chrome. Kristen Campbell, rookie card. And there's a blue on that. So I got Tim Cade Hort in there. So I got 2 packs left. Here. So there's another chrome. There's another blue sparkle. So I'll probably have to go through and like say, go look at the cards and see if there's a variation. Usually there is. Every box usually has like at least one. But I guess about anything. Which normally that's the case. Unless there's somebody famous or like a good rookie. Okay, so that's that. So let's see, here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 2 chrome. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And with a big hit, Nick Kurtz and Ted Simmons, autograph. 6 out of 25, autograph relic card. So that's the heritage high number. And then, Caleb Durbin on the blue for 115. Anyhow, have a good rest of the day. Enjoy